Welcome back to Fuji Guy's channel. My name is Francis. So in this series of videos, we're going to take a look on how to use certain features of the X-T4. So if you're interested, keep on watching. So the X-T4 features a touchscreen and there's different features and ways to use it. So let's take a look at them. So first, we can see on the screen, we have a little icon up there that says shot. So now it's set in a mode where when I click on it, I'm actually going to take a picture. If I click on it, now I move on to AF. So I'm going to focus by tapping the screen on the various things. And then the last one is going to be area, where I can just simply move the focus point around to where I want it. But it won't actually focus or it won't take a picture. The touchscreen can also be used to bring up different functions as well. So it will act like a function button, but by swiping instead. And the way to configure that is also the same way we would configure function buttons. So just press on display back for a second, and then we see the touch functions 1, 2, 3, and 4. Now we see now here that the touch function is off. So the way to turn it on, we'll go into the menu and then we will go to the wrench icon and then the button and dial setting, and then go down to the last page and then to touchscreen settings. Now we have touchscreen settings on, double tap is set to off. So we're gonna put it to on. The touch function is off, so we'll turn it on. And then while we're here, we have the EVF touchscreen settings. So this will allow you to look through the EVF and then change and move your focus point around using a different section of the screen. And if you don't like that feature, you can actually turn it off. So now that the touch function is on, I can actually use my finger and swipe around to enable different features. So if I swipe down, you see the electronic level, and then I swipe left, you see the sports finder comes up, and then swipe to the right, the bigger icon comes in, and then swipe up, and then the histogram is right here. Now the touchscreen can also be used in the playback mode. So let's go into playback mode, and then I can swipe through different images. I can pinch to zoom in or out. I can double tap to zoom to 100% and then move around. Double tap again to go back to the full size. So these are the various ways you can use the touchscreen on the Fujifilm X-T4.